Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So before beginning, I highly recommend you actually click the link down below and get your thing whatever you wanted as soon as possible, because these are the best coupons I've ever given you, plus they're exclusive, plus these are the first to be released currently. So it's first come first serve. As you can tell, we do have quantities here, and they have on just about everything you'd want to purchase. Just about everything really. You got the Earsheen, you got the iFlights, you got the beta FPVs. Some really good coupons here. As you can tell, they're limited 30, 25, 25. These are by far one of the best coupons I've released. So I don't recommend you watch the video. Just go there and pick whatever you want before it's too late. For the people who want to stay, let's go ahead and just quickly scroll over these together. So I'll just quickly go over them with you guys here. So the Earsheen Cavatar, I would say, I really love this thing. It is quite loud. But well, I bought 3 of them. So I got one for free, and I still have it, and I bought 3 more. And why is that? Well, actually, right now, I've been getting a lot of clients, especially spa resorts, who want a nice, advertisement, basically. Like 1-minute videos for Instagram. So basically, right now I'm starting to do that. I'm just going to start building my portfolio into that, which is a really nice side hustle, if you might say. So for anyone who's pretty good at editing, has a GoPro, has a scene, you don't even need a scene whoop, depending on the location. For me, this is by far one of the best budget product I could purchase, and I just know it works, and that it has a lot of flight time for me, which I really like. Not all scene whoops have good flight time, so this is one I prefer. I know there's probably better ones out there, but the budget to performance ratio for me is the absolute winner. Plus the component replacement and availability is really great as well. It's not going to be top end quality, but it's going to be good enough quality to get your shots in, because anyways, Real Steady Go usually just cleans out any weird stuff. But out of the box, this thing was flying great, as you saw in my review. Here we have some iFlights. This is the Earsheen. It's 24% off. I just reviewed this one yesterday. I think it's this one. By far one of the best whoops that I was ever able to fly outdoors. It's a 2S whoop that could, I think, also run 1S. I don't remember, but we'll see that in the review. I only ran it on 2S, and by far it was really great. I don't know how much it costs, but you can click the link, and the coupon will be between the link and the info column right here. You just have a ton of good stuff here, like an absolute ton of great stuff. The Earsheen Tyro, I just recently reviewed it. The frame isn't very good quality. I cracked the frame basically. I'm waiting for a replacement now. GETFPV Dolphin, minus $50. That's crazy. And again, these are limited. That's why they're so good. And here we have the Flywoo Explorer. This is not even the HD. You get 12% off, 30 of those coupons. So definitely hurry up. A lot of good stuff here. And if you're into buying from Banggood, this is your time. This is a time to save. You even have the goggles as well. Sorry about my phone. You also have the goggles here. You get some nice discounts on. Sky O2X are really great goggles. Sky Zone 03 are really great goggles. And the new Earsheens are really great goggles. Also the HDOs. I've never tested them, but I'm sure they're good goggles. Caddx Orca, stay away from that shit. RunCam 5, good camera. I don't know if you need that really, but yeah, it's up to you. I just got this one. I haven't tested it. So you can get a Rapid Fire is on for $130. I don't know how much it's costing right now. And if you hate waiting so long, buy it with expedited shipping. Then usually get it in 3 to 4 days. But if you're in Europe, you have a high probability of passing through customs, so keep that in mind. And there's also something like a custom tariff insurance you could purchase, where they could refund you like 50% of what you paid. But when you actually calculate it, it's basically the same. So yeah, it's kind of funny. It's a really smart way, because I've calculated that more than once when I purchased that way. So don't get those insurances. Just get normal shipping or expedited shipping. Priority is usually the fastest for Europe. After expedited is the fastest, and then the priority would be the second fastest. So yeah, go ahead, check the coupon list is down below. Go ahead and check it out, and I wish you guys luck, and let me know what you guys purchased, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.